Hello students, in this video we will learn to insert SmartArt in MS Word 2013. SmartArt feature is used to display data or information in various graphic layouts like list, cycle, pyramid, hierarchy and so on. This feature helps to display ideas in an effective manner. To insert a SmartArt, place the cursor where the SmartArt is to be inserted. Click on Insert tab. Now click on the SmartArt button in the Illustrations group. The Choose a SmartArt graphic dialog box appears. Select the desired type of the SmartArt in the left pane. The relevant SmartArt graphic appears in the center pane. Now choose any of the SmartArt that is suitable for the purpose. The preview of the selected SmartArt reflects at the upper part of the last pane. Click on OK. The selected SmartArt inserts in the document. Notice that after inserting the SmartArt, the Design tab and Format tab appears under the Contextual SmartArt Tools tab. These tabs can be used to change layouts and SmartArt styles. So let us try them. In this way, we can insert SmartArt and apply various effects in SmartArt in MS Word 2013. Thank you.